Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to create an ad account for TikTok ads. For this, first you will go to TikTok Business Center, then click on accounts. Okay, here is advertisers accounts, TikTok One accounts and shops. We need billing info for our advertiser account. To add it, we need to click on finance. Click on update access settings. Okay, here are state, street address and postal code. Okay, now we will search on Google fake USA address generator. Okay, I got it. Here are many address. State is Alaska. Then street address here. Copy and paste it. Now postal code. Click on submit. Country. Click on submit. Okay, you will see that your account has been approved. Here payment methods, you will add your card and must have at least $10 on the card. You will add the card with your information. Then your ad account creation will be complete. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.